reach a critical point, and where every decision is guided by a transparent and responsible ESG principle. The technology already exists. The real questions is how we can choose to use it. Let us bring these two oceans together, transforming industrial innovations into ecological protections and building a smarter, safer, and bluer futures for our planet. Thank you.
Can we watch nature heal itself? You can imagine when you're standing in the middle of mining tailings area. There is no trees, no birds, no green landscape. Just millions of tons of sand and rock left behind after mineral extraction. And most people would probably think that nothing could ever grow there again. But what if nature had a different plan? At the Natural Succession Discovery Park in Papua, Indonesia, something extraordinary has happened. Without planting a single tree, vegetation has gradually returned. Year after year, a barren landscape has transformed into a living ecosystem through a process called natural succession. That raises an important question. How do we know that nature is truly recovering? We cannot measure every tree every year. We cannot walk across every hectare of land month after month. Traditional field survey alone are simply not enough. So, instead, we look at the Earth from space. Using Sentinel-2 satellite imagery, we track change in vegetation over an 11 years period. Through the Normalized Difference Vegetation Index, or NDVI, every pixel becomes a measurement of ecosystem recovery. To ensure that what we saw from space reflected reality, we validated our result using field measurement from 24 monitoring plots. The results were remarkable. Vegetation density increased continuously from 2015 to 2026. Area with the highest vegetation density become increasingly dominant. And satellite observations show a strong agreement with field measurement. What does this tell us? It tells us that nature is not standing still, even in one of the most challenging environments. Ecosystem can recover when given enough time. More importantly, it showed that the satellite technology allows us to monitor that recovery efficiently, accurately, and continuously. So, perhaps the most exciting part of this research is not the satellite, the algorithm, or even the map. It is the realization that for the first time, we can actually watch nature heal itself. Thank you.
Halo, nama saya Excel, mahasiswa Magister Energi Universitas Diponegoro. Tempo hari saat saya sedang sholat di sebuah masjid, sholat saya sedikit terganggu dengan suara gemercik air dari tempat wudhu. Saya pikir itu ada orang yang sedang berwudhu, tetapi durasinya sangat panjang, dan setelah saya cek ternyata air itu terus mengalir dan tidak ada yang menggunakan. Perilaku boros ini tentu bertolak belakang dengan krisis air yang membayangi di Indonesia. Data BNPB melaporkan bahwa hingga Oktober 2025 terdapat lebih dari 11 juta jiwa terdampak langsung kekeringan dan krisis air bersih di 14 provinsi seluruh Indonesia. Sebanyak 1.600 desa melaporkan kelangkaan air bersih, sementara pasokan PDAM kota besar menurun hingga 25% dari kapasitas normal. Bahkan, air waduk di Jakarta turun drastis dan berdampak pada distribusi air lebih dari 500.000 rumah tangga. Kondisi ini diperparah dengan semakin sedikitnya ruang terbuka hijau untuk resapan air tanah akibat meningkatnya jumlah penduduk. Data menyebutkan bahwa ruang terbuka hijau di kota besar seperti Jakarta hanya tersisa kurang lebih 5%. Indonesia memiliki kearifan lokal yang terbukti mampu menjaga pengelolaan air berdasarkan nilai-nilai spiritual dan sosial budaya yang disebut subak. Subak mengatur jadwal tanam dan mekanisme musyawarah untuk membuat pengelolaan air berdasarkan filosofi Trihitakarana yang menyeimbangkan hubungan antara Tuhan, manusia, dan lingkungan. UNESCO mengakui subak dapat mengurangi konflik petani dan menjaga produktivitas pangan. Namun, terdapat kelemahan dalam penerapan metode tradisional seperti masalah iklim dan ketidakstabilan cuaca, pengambilan keputusan pembagian air yang seringkali memicu konflik, dan kurang responsif terhadap perubahan cuaca yang tiba-tiba atau distribusi air secara real time. Digitalized Water Irrigation with Subak Rule Integrated atau DWSRI hadir untuk mengatasi kekurangan sistem subak tersebut. DWSRI bertujuan untuk mengoptimalkan pengelolaan air melalui sensor yang digunakan, data real time, dan informasi terintegrasi. Aplikasi ini tidak mengabaikan kearifan lokal, melainkan mempertahankan tradisi, menyambut transformasi untuk sistem irigasi terdistribusi berbasis teknologi. DWSRI menggunakan sensor kelembapan tanah, kandungan air, dan sensor lain untuk mengidentifikasi kondisi lahan sehingga distribusi air dapat tepat sasaran dan efisien. Perakiraan iklim jangka panjang, rekomendasi waktu tanam dan panen berbasis data meteorologis juga menjadikan tingkat produktivitas lahan meningkat dan menurunkan resiko kerugian material akibat gagal panen. Beberapa studi menunjukkan bahwa integrasi teknologi di bidang pertanian dapat meningkatkan efisiensi air dan mengoptimalkan produksi. Penelitian menunjukkan teknologi digital dapat meningkatkan efisiensi penggunaan air hingga 20%, selain sistem meningkatkan hasil panen sebesar 12-17%. Hal ini menunjukkan potensi kuat DWSRI sebagai solusi berbasis teknologi yang tidak hanya inovatif, tetapi juga terbukti efektif secara empiris. DWSRI mempertahankan nilai musyawarah melalui kesepakatan bersama dalam pengambilan keputusan distribusi air, memungkinkan teknologi untuk memperkuat sistem sosial yang ada di Indonesia. Terima kasih sudah menonton.
Ladies and gentlemen, you have just witnessed our finalists for the 3-minute talk competition for the International Conference on Energy, Environment and Sustainability 2026. Now, we have arrived at the most eagerly anticipated moment of the day, the official awarding ceremony for the International Conference on Energy, Environment and Sustainability. We will be announcing the winners across 3 international competition on the we will be announcing the winners across the 3 ICENIS categories for the best paper, best presenter, and the 3-minute talk competition. Each category features distinguished winners. Starting with the best paper award, to the 3rd place goes to Miftah Muhammad, with the paper titled Developing an Artificial Intelligence-Based Energy Planning Framework for Achieving Net Zero Emissions in Island Electricity Systems. And ladies and gentlemen, for the second winner of our best paper competition goes to Mr. Muhammad Helmi Chandra with the paper titled Developing an Integrated ESG CRI Indicator Framework. And now, to our first place winner for our best paper competition goes to Mr. goes to Miss Ivana Yuniarti and Setia Triharyuni with the paper titled Fishing Pressure or Deteriorated Habitat.
Moving on to the Best Presenter Award, starting from the third winner, goes to Ms. Elzerla Destri with the topics Public Behavior and Policy Effectiveness in Reducing Plastic Bag Use Steps Toward. And for the second Best Presenter goes to Mr. Argyo Demartoto with the topics Green Governance-Based Sustainable Tourism Management and Local Community Participation. Last but not least, for the first Best Presenter goes to Ms. Anis Kurniasi with the topic Dynamics of Coastal and Environmental Changes based on the vertical distribution. And lastly, for the 3-minute talk competition, starting with the third best 3-minute talk, goes to Mr. Aditya Lapu Kapau. And for the second best 3-minute talk, goes to Mr. Sugio. Last but not least, we have the first for the 3-minute talk, goes to Excel Yoga Setiawan.
It is now our absolute honor to invite all awardees to the stage. And to present the awards for the best paper category, we kindly invite Dr. Trilasmi Indosori SHMH to step forward. And to present the awards for the best presenter category, we kindly invite Bapak Dwi Cahyo Utomo SHMA PhD to step forward. And now, to present our awards for the 3-minute talk competition, we kindly invite Profesor Insinyur Muhammad Agung Wibowo, PhD, to step forward. Congratulations once again to all our ICENIS winners. Please give them a big round of applause.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, we move directly to the PAAI Competition Awards for Best Posters and Best Presenters. For PAAI Best Poster, starting from the third winner, we have Esa Pradina Fasa Zaimini Zamzam. And the second, we have Salsabila Fadila Ahmad. Next one, to the best presenters. The third one, we have Esa Pradina Fasa Zaimini Zamzam. The second best presenters, we have Muhammad Isfahan Fadiasyam. And lastly, for the first best presenters, we have Waode Sumartini.
And to present the awards, may we invite Insinyur Agus Cahyono Adi to the stage, Mr. Graham Robert Bell to the stage, and to Bapak Ahmad Abdian Ilmanto to the stage. And for the best best poster category, may we invite Pak Aswar to the stage and Ibu Herlina to the stage. Thank you.
A massive congratulations to our awards winners. Your dedication and to scientific innovation and research excellence is truly inspiring.
Distinguished guests, speakers, and all the delegates, this officially brings us to the conclusion of the 11th International Conference on Energy, Environment, and Sustainability and the 8th Annual Scientific Meeting of PAAI 2026.
We express our deepest gratitude to Diponegoro University, PAAI, our committee, sponsors, speakers, and every participant for making this international gathering is a resounding and success.
I am Sakti.
And I am Fasha.
Thank you and have a wonderful evening. To all participants, please step forward as we are going to take a group booth photo session. To all participants, may you please come forward to the stage. Check.
Yeah, thank you very much for everybody. All of you are really awesome and wow, really amazing for me and Pak Iwan that we make a collaboration between Postgraduate School and Waterground Expert Association. Thank you very much for Bu Laksmi, and then thank you very much to Bu Naru, and thank you very much for the distinguished senior professor here. Thanks for the sponsor, and also thanks for the committee. Yeah. Until the second day, still a lot of people coming here, so this is really amazing. Thank you very much for the student as well. And hopefully, from the little things now, can be a silaturahim and collaboration in the future. Yeah, thank you very much. Pak Iwan, monggo Pak Iwan.
Yeah, thank you. I hope everyone can enjoy this closing moment. Yeah, and thank you for Diponegoro University, Prof. Agung. Yeah, because usually during the closing time, the participants reduce just less than half. But now, maybe almost similar with the opening ceremony. Thank you.
Yeah. Big applause for all of you.
Thank you, Bu Naru. Yeah.
Alhamdulillah,
as the head of our organizer. Yeah, Bu Naru, big appreciate. Yeah. And for next year, scientific meeting of PAAI, Indonesian Groundwater Expert Association meeting will be held in Jakarta. Oke. Ke Jakarta aku kan kembali seperti kataku plus. Oke.